Good morning guys. Ayan, happy breakfast everyone. Ayan, our Sisi Love. And my hubby and Tutong. And this one, I don't know. Tata, ayan. Our kind of breakfast for today is sabaw, lauoy with isda. And then Sisi Love.
Hello?
What about the taste, Sisi Love? Ayan, at saka may ano tayo.
Delicious.
Mayroon tayong salad na guso, preto na dalagang bukid, and then that's it. Happy eating! Ayan. Where's Ganggang? Outside. Okay. Next, dito guys, gawa tayo ng ating tapol na biko. Ayan. Ayan. Sige, eat na kayo guys kasi marami pa tayong gagawin. Ayan po, nakahanda na po ang ating lumpia wrapper para sa ating pangmalakasan na Shanghai na lumpia. Okay. Maya na kami kakain ni Ganggang guys kasi marami po yung nakain naming tinapay kanina nung nagkakapip po kami. So, mauna na po silang kumain kasi marami pa pong gagawin. Last vigil pala ngayon guys sa nakaburol naming kaibigan at saka bunsong kapatid ni Ma'am Mary Reeves. So, marami tayong gagawin mamaya and that's it. Enjoy eating guys and God bless. Bye!